जी, so the equation, as you see, know that in the question given equation is minus x plus 2y is equal to 4, and the table given in the question is minus 5, 0 and 5. These are the values of x. In y column values are p, 2 and q. Part A, the value, we have to find the value of p. For this we will put a value of x is equals to minus 5 in the equation. As you know, equation is minus x plus 2y is equal to 4, so we will write minus into minus 5. Minus is the sign of equation, and this minus is the value of x is minus 5. So minus into minus 5 plus 2y is equal to 4. Minus multiply minus becomes plus, so 5 plus 2y equals 4. Shifting this 5 to right hand side, positive will become negative, so 2y is equals to 4 minus 5, and now 2y equals minus 1 and y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is the value of y, and here when we will put the value of x minus 5, the value of y is p. It means the p is equals to y is equals to minus 1 by 2, right? Okay, now for the value of q, we will put x is equals to 5, so we will put x is equal to 5 in the equation. So minus is the sign of equation, 5 is the value of x which we are going to put, plus 2y is equal to 5. Shifting this minus 5 to right hand side, it will become 2y is equal to 4 plus 5, and 4 plus 5 becomes 9. So the equation is 2y is equal to 9, and y is equal to 9 divided by 2. 2 was going to multiply with y. When we will shift it to right hand side, it will divide. So value of y is 9 by 2. Y means the value of q is 9 by 2. We can also write these values in the form of decimals. Value of p is minus 1 by 2 or minus 0.5. Similarly, we can write the value of q in decimal form like 4.5. It's your choice. You can write the values in the form of fraction or in the form of decimal. After doing the part A, we are going to start part B. It is given in the statement that take scale x 1 centimeter to 1 unit on x-axis and 2 centimeter to 1 unit on y-axis. Equation given in the question is minus x plus 2y equals 4, and the values of x, limit of the values of x is given is minus 5 less than equals to x less or equals to 5. Any values of x will vary from minus 5 to plus 5. Now we have to plot these the graph of this equation in this limit. Limit means we will take the values of x from minus 5 to 5. minus 5 से 5 तक हमें x की values लेनी है, and as these are already given in the table. Value against minus x is minus 0.5, value against 0 is 2, and value against 5 is 4.5. It means we have three ordered pairs, minus 5 comma 0 minus 0.5, second ordered pair 0 comma 2, and third ordered pair is 5 comma 4.5. We will plot these three ordered pair on the graph and we will get a straight line. Now first of all, the most important thing is to set your scale. So you can see that it is given in the question that on x-axis take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit and 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. It does not mean that we will use the centimeters of scale. It means we will use this. Now I'm going to tell you how to take centimeter on graph. See, my graph page is limit is like मेरा ग्राफ पेज जो है ना ये पूरा हो रहा है, राइट? अब मुझे इसी पेज के अंदर ही अपने इसको एडजस्ट करना है, राइट? सो व्हाट आई हैव टेकन, यू सी आई हैव मार्क्ड लाइंस आफ्टर एवरी 5 बॉक्सेस. 1 2 3 4 5 आई हैव ड्रॉन 1 बॉक्स. 1 2 3 4 5 I have drawn a line on 1 2 3 after every 5 small boxes along y-axis and along x-axis. I have drawn the mark point, you can say. मैंने एक निशान लगा दिया. Now this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter along x-axis, this is 1 centimeter along y-axis, this is 1 centimeter along y-axis, this is 1 centimeter along y-axis. Now the scale given in the question for x-axis is 1 centimeter to 1 unit, means 1 centimeter for 1. Then for next 1 centimeter we will write 2. For third 1 centimeter we will write 3 4 5 and so on. Similarly on left hand side, minus 1 -2, -3, -4, -5. Now for y-axis they are saying 2 सेंटीमीटर to 1 यूनिट, यानी 1 सेंटीमीटर 2 सेंटीमीटर, 2 सेंटीमीटर पर हम 1 लिखेंगे, फिर ये 2 सेंटीमीटर के बाद हम 2 लिखेंगे, फिर 3 सेंटीमीटर के बाद हम 3 लिखेंगे, फिर 2 सेंटीमीटर के बाद हम 4 लिखेंगे, फिर 2 सेंटीमीटर के बाद 5 लिखेंगे। सिमिलरली ऑन वाई डैश एक्सिस। अच्छा, फिर आपने टेबल में देखा कि वैल्यूज़ ऑफ एक्स तो -5 to 5 है, जबकि वाई की वैल्यू जा रही है -0.5 से लेकर 4.5 तक। सो मैंने उसी के अकॉर्डिंग पॉजिटिव साइड पे मैक्स ज़्यादा मतलब पॉइंट्स दिए हैं और नेगेटिव साइड पे कम पॉइंट्स दिए हैं, जबकि राइट हैंड साइड और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर मैंने इक्वल दिया क्योंकि x -5 से +5 तक जा रहा है। सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द पॉइंट्स ऑन एक्सेस। सी दिस इज़ हाउ वी विल राइट द पॉइंट्स। अच्छा, अब ये है कि मैंने आफ्टर एवरी 5 बॉक्सेस लिया है बिकॉज आई हैव टू शो यू द वर्क ऑन क्लास। अगर मैं स्मॉल लेती तो आपको बहुत नैरो वर्क हो जाता और आपको नज़र ना आता है, दैट्स वाई आप आफ्टर एवरी 3 बॉक्सेस को 1 सेंटीमीटर भी ले सकते हैं, राइट। सो 1 सेंटीमीटर to 1 यूनिट ऑन एक्सेस यानी 1 सेंटीमीटर के बाद 1 सेंटीमीटर के बाद 2, 1 सेंटीमीटर के बाद 3, 1 सेंटीमीटर के बाद 4, 1 सेंटीमीटर के बाद 5, 1 सेंटीमीटर के बाद 6। इसी तरह से ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड -1 सेंटीमीटर के बाद -1, 1 सेंटीमीटर के बाद -2, 1 सेंटीमीटर के बाद -3, 1 सेंटीमीटर के बाद -4, 1 सेंटीमीटर के बाद -5। ठीक है, इसी तरह से यहाँ पर ये 1 सेंटीमीटर है, ये 2 सेंटीमीटर, और वाई एक्सिस पे 2 सेंटीमीटर पर हमने 1 लेना है, फिर 1 सेंटीमीटर 2 सेंटीमीटर के बाद हमने फिर 2 लिया, फिर 2 सेंटीमीटर छोड़ के हमने 3 लिया, फिर 2 सेंटीमीटर पर हमने 4 लिया, फिर 2 सेंटीमीटर पर हमने 5 लिया। सेम ऑन लोअर साइड 2 सेंटीमीटर पर हमने -1 लिया, फिर 2 सेंटीमीटर के बाद हमने -2 लिया, राइट। नाउ वी विल प्लॉट द पॉइंट्स। आवर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर्ड पेयर इज -5, -0.5. See, this is x -5 and this is -1, and -0.5 will be between 0 and -1. So this is the mid of 0 and -1. So this is -0.5. Just between 0 and -1, this is -0.5. It means our first point will be -5 and -0.5. See, I am going to put the scale here, -0.5 and -5. So you can see this is our point, -5 and -0.5. Plot this point and write the ordered pair. So you will plot this point and you will write the ordered pair -5, -0.5. Next ordered pair is 0, 2. You can see that 0 mean x coordinate 0 and x coordinate is 0 on y axis. So the next point is, this point is 0, 2, x coordinate 0, y coordinate 2, and this point will be on y axis. So we will write 0, 2 at this point. Third point is 5 and 4.5. See, you will put the scale on 5, right, like this, and then from 4.5, this is the 4.5, between 4 and 5, this point will be 5, 4.5. Again you can see this point from x-axis 5 units and from y-axis 4.5, and here at this point where the two values will intersect each other, this point is 5 and 4.5. Now join these points using a scale and a straight line C. So see, here we have drawn the line passing through the point 5, 4.5, 0, 2 and 5, -5 and 0.5. You can see that this is a straight line. So a linear equation, whenever we will draw the linear equation, we will get a straight line in the graph. right? We will write put arrows on both sides, and we will also write the equation. Here it is done. So first of all we need the table, so we have drawn the table. Then we have set our scale according to the scale given in the question. Then we have plotted the three ordered pairs from the table, and then we have joined these three ordered pair using the scale. It is a straight line representing the linear equation minus 2x plus 2y minus x plus 2y is equals to 4. It is done. Next part now. C part. Point r comma 0.5 lies on the graph. Find the value of r. Now we will use the graph to find the value of r. Students, this line has many solutions. Like these three ordered pair are also the solution of this line. We can also use this line to find other solutions. Now they are saying find the value of r when r means x coordinate and when y coordinate is 0.5. It means this ordered pair says that if y coordinate is 0.5 or value of y is 0.5, then what will be the value of r? And here r is representing x coordinate. Okay, so as I told you, we have to find the x coordinate of the point if y coordinate is 0.5. First of all, we will see where the 0.5 on y-axis lies. This is y-axis, vertical axis is y, this is 0 and this is 1. Between 0 and 1 there are 10 small boxes, and this is the mid of 0 and 1, यानी 5 boxes for 0 और 1 का mid है. So this is y 0.5. Now we will see where this point will touch the graph. You can see if I move this side, there is this line is not on this side. मुझे देखना ये कि y 0.5 ग्राफ को कहाँ कट कर रहा है. राइट साइड पे अगर मैं एक्सटेंड करूँ तो राइट साइड पे ग्राफ है ही नहीं. इट मीन्स आई विल मूव टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट साइड and I will move this way, and I will stop where my y 0.5 will touch x-axis, and that is this point. And now I will move downwards to see what is the value of x. I am going to tell you this point again. Start moving from x is y 0.5. okay, first of all we will not go on right side क्योंकि right side पे ये line आ ही नहीं रही. This line is coming on left side of y 0.5, so we will start moving this way, this way, this way. We will keep moving until this point will touch the line of minus x plus 2y. So this is the point where my graph is touching the line of the equation. Now I will start moving downwards, 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 and I reach at minus 3. It means value of r is minus 3. See, you will draw a dotted line, right? It is starting from 0.5, moving left side straight, and as this dotted line touching the line, you will start moving downward, downward, and on x-axis we reach at minus 3. This means the value of r is minus 3. So this is third time I told you this step. So watch it carefully and do it on your graph paper. And here you will write from graph we get r is equals to minus 3. Now we are going to start D part. The statement of D part is on the graph on the same axis in part B. Draw the graph of x is equal to 3. हमें उसी ग्राफ में x is equal to 3 की line draw करनी है. So come on the graph. So this is the point. This is x-axis and this is the point 3 on x-axis. We will draw a vertical line here. So here is the graph of the equation x is equals to 3. This line, this is a vertical line parallel to x-axis, right? Now we will do second part of D part. So this is the second part of D part. we have to find y coordinate of the point of the graph of minus x plus 2y is equal to 4 that has x coordinate of 3. ये सिर्फ स्टेटमेंट आपको अंडरस्टैंड करने की ज़रूरत है. सबसे पहले अब आपके पास एक ग्राफ पे दो लाइंस हैं, सो यू हैव टू लुक एट द ग्राफ ऑफ माइनस एक्स प्लस 2y इज इक्वल टू 4. आपको x इज इक्वल टू 3 का ग्राफ नहीं देखना, बल्कि आपको ग्राफ ऑफ द इक्वेशन देखना है minus x plus 2y is equal to 4, and you have to search a point on this graph having x coordinate 3. और फिर उसी पॉइंट का y coordinate क्या होगा, we have to find the y coordinate of that point from the graph of minus x plus 2y. Let's move on the graph. So you see that we are back to the graph. Now there are two lines. This is the graph of x is equal to 3 and this is the graph of minus x plus 2y is equal to 4. We have to use this graph and we have to see where is the x coordinate 3. So this is x is equal to 3. We will start moving, जो कि आपको ऑलरेडी एक लाइन नज़र आ रही है. सो वी विल स्टार्ट मूविंग टुवर्ड द ग्राफ. अगर हम डाउनवर्ड आएंगे तो डाउनवर्ड हमारे पास ग्राफ ऑफ माइनस एक्स प्लस 2y इज इक्वल टू 4 नहीं है, बल्कि माइनस एक्स प्लस 2y का ग्राफ अपवर्ड है. सो दिस इज x इज इक्वल टू 3. आप इस पॉइंट पर आ जाएंगे एंड यू विल स्टार्ट मूविंग अपवर्ड 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 अपवर्ड. You will keep moving until you touch the graph. As you touch the graph, you will start moving to left hand side towards y-axis, and you reach at this point, and this point is just between 3 and 4, and this will be 3.5. See, I have drawn the dotted line here. यहाँ dotted line मैंने इसलिए draw नहीं की क्योंकि वो doubling हो जाती. There is already a line from moving from x is equals to 3 toward the graph, और यहाँ पर मैंने जैसे ग्राफ को टच किया and moving towards left, I have drawn a red dotted line here and I get the value y is equal to 3.5 on y-axis. Here you will write the answer on your notebook page. If x coordinate is 3, then y coordinate is 3.5. So here all the parts of question number 4 are done.